Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have some leftover blueberry, so I'm going to make you a lovely blueberry ginger and lime juice. Very healthy, very refreshing, so stay tuned. So with this, I'm going to take the skin off. You can use a peeler, whatever you're comfortable to use. So that's done. So I'm going to take you through a little bit about health benefit of the blueberry. Blueberries is high in antioxidant. Also, it's very good for your brain. So if you consume this daily, it's very important. It's good for you. Good for your brain, good for your blood flow. It's good for heart health. And also it boosts your immune system. Good for your digestive system also. And it's also good for your eyes. So you have the lime here, which is good for digestive system, also full of vitamin C. Even the skin, you can use the skin to make tea. Also, it's good for your skin, good for your digestive system, and it's good for weight loss also, and help support the immune function and lower the risk of heart disease. So I'm going to take the skin off this. You can use the skin if you want, but it's a personal preference. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I welcome you all, and thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, I'm using about half cup of blueberry, half a ginger, 1 lime, and I'm going to use about 600 ml of water. For the blueberry, I'll add it in. Then I'm going to add water. You can use water or you can use coconut water, whichever you prefer. it another blend. So the juice is ready, but I'm going to strain it off. Now, this is personal preference. I don't like too much bits, so I'll strain it off. So now that the juice is all strained, so it's time to pour them out. One for you, one for me. Ladies and gentlemen, cheers to you all, and thank you for watching my channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Very nice and delicious.